there! Good day! Magandang araw! I am Teacher Filipina from Philippines. I am friendly and approachable teacher. In my class, tuturuan kita sa lahat ng gusto mong matutunan ng salitang Filipino. I taught offline tutor for 7 years now. Tagalog is my native language, so I'll make sure you will learn Tagalog in less than 2 months. I have lots of learning materials to offer you. Let us enjoy learning my native language together. I'll make sure before we end of our class, you have lots of takeaways from our lessons. So what are you waiting for? Book a trial lesson now para maturuan na kita sa lahat ng gusto mong matutunan at nakahanda na lahat ng learning materials ko. So see you there in my